Okay, Nate. There you go, read the play. You're bailing way too early. So there was no reason to bail off of that with play stuck at the blue line. You could stay at the blue line and help your partner out instead of having to have your partner rush up to the blue line. Just play staying in the zone right there. We'll talk about those situations in post-game. Okay, now you got to hold. There you go. Good. That was much better where you read both defensemen and stayed. So if the play is on your side, the same thing has to happen. Not just when it's out in the middle of the ice. Okay, on your puck drops, you do not present the puck. Okay. You're coming out from the belt line, out and down. You're bending way over at your waist. What I need you to do is be more vertical and use an out and down motion. I don't want you to stop here, Jason. Keep skating all the way up. Don't just coast.